STR Dynamic adjustable jack plate. What you have in front of you is our IDC, our interactive dynamic control screen, and two motor controllers. You will need one motor controller for each jack plate. It comes with the jack plate kit. The the IDC, you only need one screen for up to 4 engines. It will control up to 4 engines with just the one screen, and that is an add-on. You can also use just manual buttons if you would like. This is the complete setup. Both boxes, control, and plate are all IP67 rated. All the harnesses are IP67 rated, all terminated. The only 2 wires that need to be manually hooked up in the boat is power and ground. Other than that, everything just plugs in both to the jack plate, boxes, and control. What you have here is 4 presets across the bottom, your adjustment on your plate up and down, and then this is what we call step size, which is how much you want to move the engine. We have millimeters here on the left, and that is direct relation to the jack plate. Jack plate moves 4 inches, which is very close to 100 millimeters, which is what the plate is. So it's 0 to 99. You can move it in 1 millimeter increments, 3 millimeter increments, 6 or 12. And for our American customers, which we have many, 3 millimeters is just a shade under 1/8 of an inch. 6 millimeters is just a shade under 1/4, and then 12 is just a tad under a 1/2 inch. So if we wanted to move it, for example, 3 millimeters, go there, so now at 13, okay? Now, across the bottom we have our presets. Planing is set at 19, so you can see it lights up green. If you wanted to set that preset, all you would have to do, you can set it anywhere you'd like. All you have to do is hold down the planing button. It will then flash at you. That means that is your new preset. So I'll go up to cruise. 43, jack plate is now at 43 millimeters. Let's say I want to move it manually. So I can move it manually with the screen. Let's say I want to move it 6 millimeters at a time. You can hit the button there. You can also hit it here. Okay, I'm going to go up to 12 millimeters. Let's see, we're at 67 now. Okay, now we're rolling along. We made our best pass. We made our best speed. We've already set that preset. I believe it's 87 on this. I can't remember, honestly. 87 is our best speed. Motor goes exactly to 87 millimeters. Our tolerance is 1 millimeter. We like to keep it within 1 millimeter at all times. So 1 millimeter is 30 thousandths of an inch. Or less than 30 thousandths of an inch. So let's say we get back to the trailer. We have trailer set at 99. It'll run the plate to the top. It's green because it's on the preset. And that's all there is to it, really. It's that simple. We have strived in the last 2 years developing this plate for accuracy and robustness, like always, but definitely accuracy. Plate is completely billet. And we're really, really proud of it.